runs. Now with the orthodox fine leg, that would have gone... Well, it's gone. There isn't a man there, I can tell you. Certainly not in Zimbabwean colours.
See what I mean? That's huge. That's 6 and takes him from 46 to 52 in just 49 balls. Anyway, that's good. Keep going. No messing. Too short, not quick enough. Take that.
In the last test match, he really played him well, using the feet. Creating the strike is another option that will keep Muralidharan on check.
Giving the chance to Shahid Afridi, who's settled, batting for 52.
Down the wicket, straight back the bowler's head. Will it go all the way? Yes, it has. Wonderful 6. This is where Shahid Afridi is so good. Strong hitter of the ball. Reading the delivery to nicety.
Well, it's a good shot, but I still believe that he must control himself. It's not the end of his innings. It's a good shot coming out down the wicket to Muralidharan, attacking, but...
Aggression again from Afridi. 11 without loss, Pakistan.
Shahid Afridi picking the slow delivery from Grand Gough quite early. Having a heave at that one. Didn't middle it entirely, but hit it straight. Balance transferred onto that back foot. Trying to get the elevation to clear mid-off and mid-on. Bringing a lot of joy to the Pakistani supporters here.
The last ball of Gough's over, heaved over the bowler's head for 4. Slower ball from Gough, picked by Afridi.
He's gone after that. That's gone a long way. All the way over the ropes, maximum. .96 for 1. Oh, just when England seem to be having Pakistani batsmen under real pressure, 28 runs have come from the last 3 overs.
And he again goes straight. Off his innings. Well, there is a prize for the quickest 50 in this tournament. Shahid Afridi should have his eyes on it now, because he's got a very good chance to set a difficult target in that regard. That was the straighter delivery from Bradburn, but Afridi countered by hitting straight. This is tremendous entertainment. We'll have to take another look here. It might just have bounced before. Well, the spin experiment isn't working for New Zealand, because Afridi is hitting sensibly. He's hitting pretty straight. 4 on that occasion. He would feel the pressure, because this is a comeback for him after 9 years. And he's up against a dangerous player. This is another one. High and well over. Second 6 of the over. Well, it's hard to keep him quiet, because he is so good on his feet, Afridi. He came a long, long way down to get that one. Bradburn's trying to bowl straight deliveries rather than the off-break. But it's not having any success, because Afridi isn't swinging across. Well, the crowd going crazy here. That's a target for the quickest 50 that's going to be very, very difficult to beat. Just 24 balls for a half century. The crowd absolutely loving it. Grant Bradburn with nowhere to hide at the moment.
Well, what does he do? If he bowls length, Afridi goes over the top. If he bowls leg stump, he's heaved over the onside.
The total cricket sign there saving our cameraman.
One delivery remaining in this over. That's another one. Or is it? Yes, just clearing the man at deep backward square leg. 27 of the over. 3 sixes in that. 74 for no loss Pakistan. This is the last ball.
Be very disappointed with the line that is bowled. He's normally spot on with that outside the off-stump line that he bowls. Oh, that's beautifully struck, and that's sailing over, hitting the boundary boards full, and that's 6. Changes in the rule. If the ball hits the rope on the full, it's 6. A lot of bottom hand on that one. Didn't quite get into the middle of the bat. Had that happened, it would have cleared the stadium. Oh, that's a great shot. That's gone miles into the sky and hitting the top of the stands. A superb shot.
Just one too many slow balls, I think. Look at that. Just gave himself some room and a magnificent swing of the bat. And that has gone for miles.
Uses his hit and another great shot. That's soaring over 6. Right into the stands.
$1,000 on offer here today for the most 6s. Another full toss. Just hasn't bowled a consistent pace with these leg spinners today. Another full toss. Another good strike. That might have gone all the way. It has. Shahid Afridi hitting his 5th 6. Attempted slow delivery. That ended up being a full toss and nicely put away.
Almost touching 100. That's hit high and handsome in the air. And all the way.
Well, maybe he just heard us saying that it's very quiet out there. So he's got some noise going in the stadium, starting with the thump of the bat. Oh, that's a beautiful strike. It's coming right over. Long one for 6.
It's not funny trying to bowl to this guy. This is the first ball of his spell. Look at it. Warm-up ball in the slot. Just short of a length. That's where he likes them. He can get underneath them, and that's gone a long way.
Another one, and this time squarer. That's a beautiful shot again. Oh, extra cover for 6 this time.
It's got away from him. He's reached for it and clipped it over, extra cover for 6. That is outstanding talent.
Oh, once again it goes, and this time again over extra cover. A superb shot.
From Gary Brent, he's just got outside off stump again. It allows the batsman to free up his arms and swing right through the ball. He'd be loving this. And he'd probably be a little worried about getting too close to leg stump because he's got no cover down there. He's got to fire at middle stump, basically.
And this time on the leg side. So Afridi, he's turning it on. And this time again 6 over square leg.
Okay, here we go. It's the slow ball this time, but it's over-pitched. He has got so much talent, this guy.
And there goes Afridi over mid-off. Too easy for him. 6. Whoa, what a super strike. There's the 50. The fastest of the tournament so far from this invigorating, irresistible cricketer. It's such a risk. You're only allowed 2 men back. You've got deep backward square and deep mid-wicket on the fence. You can't put anybody outside the circle. And Afridi...
अगली वीडियो तक फिर मिलते हैं खुदा हाफिज